Hey guys, this is the RC Bros again. We're gonna be doing this Jurassic World Jeep.
Jurassic World Jeep by Jada.
Yep.
Alright, let's see get a good shot of it. Just like the front of it, top of it. So just like movies, Jurassic Park. Pretty simple. No bells or whistles.
And it has a
Cost was $28, so not too expensive.
yeah.
Cool.
We're just gonna be, see if it's an off-road, range test, and plastic goes.
See how it does on concrete, grass, maybe some rocks. Not amphibious.
You want to see if it's off-road?
Yeah, let's give it a try. That's not good. I think it would have been caught by the dinosaurs by now.
Yep.
So, does it have a turbo boost?
Yeah.
Let's see what the turbo boost does.
Okay, let's do. We're gonna do normal, then push.
This is normal?
Okay. Okay, this is normal.
Yep.
Okay, let me get out.
Okay, and we got normal. Let's see turbo.
What?
Let's see turbo. That's turbo?
Yep.
Seems about the same.
How fast is it?
Looks about like 6-7 miles per hour, maybe. 5 maybe.
What are you doing? So it's not good. What do you get of her? How much out of 10? On a scale from 1 to 10, how much would you like it?
Ooh, I give it a 5. I mean, it looks like the movie. I think that's kind of more what it'd be fun to like play with dinosaurs and stuff, but as far as remote control, it's kind of just a fun little toy. It's not too expensive.
I thought it would go super fast.
Yeah, I think they're more they just kind of made it just so you can like pretend with the movies and stuff.
Yeah.
So, all right, we still have a few more to review. We'll be back.
Hit like and subscribe.
See ya.